करने की लम्हे अपने आप मिल जाते हैं। कौन पूछता है पिंजरे में बंद पक्षियों को, याद वही आते हैं जो उड़ जाते हैं।
जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम बनाए हैं।
क्या बात है?
जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम बनाए हैं। जिन्हें ऐसा बनाया है खुदा ने, आज वो हमारी महफिल में आए हैं। वेरी warm good afternoon, praise the Lord, राम राम, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, what you feel connected with?
So we have gathered here today to acknowledge and give farewell to our Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Sophia, the strongest queen of our school.
The time and effort she has put into to make this institution grow cannot be appreciated in words or compensated.
What Sister has given to this institution is not just memories, but a path to be a good educator, along with the discipline and the responsibility for each and everyone to follow.
Let us begin this short program which is arranged to say goodbye to Sister Sophia by remembering God and all the manifold blessings God has bestowed upon Sister Sophia and upon each one of us. Now may I request the choir group to lead us into prayer.
Excuse me, ma'am. The chapter is not closed. Sister has still some more time to be with us. Sister has been here, part of us, quite many days. And this much past we will not say goodbye to her. There are many teachers who want to share some good memories and message. So let me now go to speak to the moment Puja means and meaning is. Let us give a round of clap for Puja means and meaning is.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Welcome you to this special program.
Strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without a strong leader that would not be possible.
Yes, we are talking about one of the best leaders amongst us, our Vice Principal, Sister Sophia.
Dear sister, we are going to express our pain and thoughts for you.
We feel very fortunate to work with a dedicated, committed, caring and innovative Vice Principal.
Your impact on our lives can never be forgotten. You always inspire us to do our best for the students.
We appreciate your hard work and efforts to make any program successful.
You always take things that concern to the staff or the students seriously.
You have always been there to listen our problems and inspire us not to give up.
Your passion, dedication and commitment have made a positive impact on our school community.
We can still hear your words tingling in our ears. It energizes us to focus on learning more and more and always be ready for opportunities that may come.
Many times you have scolded us, but we never take it in wrong way. We always take it in a positive way.
Thank you, sister, for being such a great and exceptional leader for managing the entire school.
Thank you, sister, for directing the students to look and walk in the right path. You are the best and vice principal this school has ever had.
Dear sister, we are going to miss you and we wish you all the best for your journey.
विवेक सर की शायरी की तरह आपकी स्माइल हमेशा याद रहेगी.
Thank you, sister. but the legacy of your hard work will fill it. How well we all can remember that any program, how you used to stand from beginning to end, observing, correcting, guiding, inspiring, and giving us many ideas and suggestions to make any event in the school successful one.
Exactly the same way, we also want you to do something extraordinary to connect to you more personally and emotionally.
Yes, sir, you are right. When we are planning what we should do, then sudden idea clicks to my mind. Do you know, sir? What is that idea?
Sorry ma'am, you haven't discussed or shared with me the idea. Can you be a little precise to explain so that I can guess?
Okay, sir. You listen carefully. Tell me, what is that something which we all like? However is our mood, whether we are happy or sad, angry or irritated, and even intention. We all like it. You can have at least 2 guesses.
Let me think. Maybe it is the ice cream that you're talking about? If it is so, wow, but you are going to give us a treat or what?
No, sir. You said it wrong. I know you are saying this because of this present weather, but I mean it is applicable in all weather, in all mood. Come on, sir. You have one more guess.
Yes. Applicable in all weather, in all mood, be it happy, sad, what can be something? Yes, I got it. It is a gold, I mean to say Sona. Sleeping you're talking about, we like sleeping in all weather, right?
अरे सर पर्सनल हॉबी नहीं बताना है. Everybody does not like sleeping, nor it comes to everybody at every time.
Yes, I agree with you, especially with the woman. When they fight with the husband or when they are angry, they don't get sleep easily. Am I right?
You said correct, sir. That means your answer is wrong. Come on, audience, can you guess what can be that thing?
I want to say something.
Yes, tell me, ma'am.
It's song.
Oh wow, that is you are correct, ma'am.
Yes, you can clap for that.
Clap for us. It is the song which we all like. It is our mood, happy, sad, angry, and irritated. Songs are available for all occasions. It connects directly to our emotions and heart. So it is the time for us to sing farewell song which has been prepared by Shubham sir and team. Dear sir and dear teachers, please come on the.
Wait. There is a warning for all those of you who think you are weak or heart patient or emotional. Please do not listen to this song because you may cry and you must have tears in your eyes. And you know that I hate tears, Pushpa.
motivate us and guide us within this struggle.
हम वो नहीं जो मतलब से याद करते हैं, हम वो नहीं जो रिश्तों से प्यार करते हैं। आपका पैगाम आए या ना आए, आपका पैगाम आए या ना आए, हम रोज आपको दिल से याद करते हैं।
Your leadership was the compass that guided us through challenges. As you leave, sister, take with the gratitude and respect of those who you led. Now we have the teachers from pre-primary, the KG staff, who is here to do something as a sign of gratitude and love for your service to the community. Welcome, dear teachers.
Good afternoon, everyone. Though we are sad to bide your farewell, and you will be dearly missed, but we are also happy for you since there are bright opportunities waiting for your career. Best wishes for your future. Also, thank you for supporting and encouraging us in charge during COVID time. We have prepared a song for the sisters, so we are going to present that song in front of you. If there is any mistake, so please forgive us.
सॉन्ग से पहले कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे। सोने वाले सो जाओ, सोने वाले सो जाओ, जागने वाले जाग जाओ। अब तो हम शोर करने वाले हैं, आप सबको बोर करने वाले। मानो या ना मानो यारो, मानो या ना मानो यारो, हम तो गाना गाएंगे। सिस्टर सोफिया की विदाई है, अब तो हम सबको रुलाएंगे।
so ideas. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Who will be the next performer? Yes, sir. Who will be the next performer?
Cities I don't know, but having encountered two group songs, our audience want to listen to a solo song. Next one.
The next performer is Jinat Miss.
So let us give a clap for Zinat ma'am, who is here for the solo performance.
Who is here to express everyone's feeling towards Sister Sophia through song.
वक्त नूर को बेनूर कर देता है, वक्त नूर को बेनूर कर देता है, थोड़े से जख्म को नासूर कर देता है, थोड़े से जख्म को नासूर कर देता है। कौन चाहता है अपनों से दूर होना, कौन चाहता है अपनों से दूर होना, पर वक्त सबको मजबूर कर देता है।
Thank you, ma'am. Your voice is really so sweet.
Words are the only thing that lasts forever. Trust the process. Your time is coming. Just do the work and the result will handle themselves. It is the time that we listen to our principal Reverend Sister Kripa, who is here with words of inspiration and appreciation. Welcome you, dear Sister.
शुभम सर को
Respected Father Kaldas, Sister Sophia, Sister Josepha, and all my dear teachers. There is an anonymous saying which goes like this: goodbyes are not forever, are not the end. It simply means we will miss you until we meet again. It's there on the board, you can see. Yes, dear Sister Sophia, we will miss you, especially I will miss you because you have been part and parcel of the administrative affairs of the institution and a pillar of support for me in administering my duties. This is a special moment in our school's history as we bid farewell to Sister Sophia, who has been an integral part of our institutional journey. It is with mixed emotion that we have gathered here to honor Sister Sophia and her stay here during the last 4 years. Throughout her time with us, she has proved to be a sincere and dedicated teacher, a mentor, and a holder of a compassionate heart and merciful heart. She often comes to me on behalf of students, teachers, and even non-teaching staff to hint to me that I should be considerable when things are genuine and I should be strict when things are going wrong. So she used to be a wise consultant for me when I am in need of it. She is very empathetic, noble-minded, and impatient when confronted with injustice. And I know for sure that no one can replace her and her selfless contribution to the school as a vice principal and teacher, and to me very personally. She is a passionate teacher because she used to tell me willingly, "Sister, give me more and more periods so that I will teach." But I wanted her to engage more and more in administrative affairs, but she used to keep asking me, "Give me more and more periods." That shows her passion for teaching. And she proved to be managing both the administrative affairs and the teaching. And I found her to be very efficient. A big thanks to you, dear Sister Sophia, for your tireless work behind the scenes and for being instrumental in smooth running of the school and fostering a positive environment around us. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend sincere gratitude to you and wish you all the best as you embrace change and a new path with all selflessness and dedication. You will always have a special place in our hearts and your contributions will be remembered. Farewell, and may your future be as bright as you wish. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your words of inspiration and appreciation.
Giving and receiving is a part of life. Some find joy in receiving and many find joy in giving. It becomes a human responsibility. Wherever we go, we give. We give our best. It can be in the form of our knowledge, be it our wisdom, be it the experience that we have. This is what is our Sister Sophia, who has given her best along with the time and energy to this institution from the very moment she came here.
It's time that we as LMCS family give a small gift to Sister Sophia as a token of our love and the reward of the wisdom that we have received from her. May I request everyone to clap and our manager, Reverend Father Prabhudas Tirgi, to give the gift to Sister Sophia.
Right, Krishna, in order to say a few words.
Somebody can take the photo, please. So ma'am, we have been telling shairis from the beginning to end. Now let me personally ask you, do you like shairis, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I like to. Do you know any?
I am not a good shair, but yes, sometimes I do shairi, but it's time that we give chance to others. And we have Shabina ma'am, who will be coming here to share the shairi. Clap for Shabina ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, पता है आप लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं। आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो भी मेरी शायरी का एंड रहेगा वो आप है, तो आप लोगों को मेरे साथ बोलना है आप, ठीक है? मुश्किलों की जगह में सहारा बने आप, दुनिया के समुंदर में किनारा बने आप, जा रही हैं हमको एक रोशनी दिखाकर, रहे जहाँ भी एक मिसाल बने आप, यादों के फ्रेम में अब ये दूसरा हो गया फिर यहाँ से अब नहीं बोलना है। यादों के फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे, यादों के फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे, आपको जा रही है पर आप बहुत याद आएंगे।
वाह वाह, तालियां।
विदा होकर आप यहाँ से चली जाएंगी, विदा होकर आप यहाँ से चली जाएंगी, पर उम्मीद करते हैं जहाँ भी जाएंगी खुशियाँ ही पाएंगी, खुशियाँ ही पाएंगी।
Goodbye so hard. The center of today's program, we all know is Sister Sophia, the vice principal of our school. We are bidding farewell to Sister and we are aware of the fact that very soon Sister Sophia won't be with us. We should be leaving to she would be leaving to a new place and will become the part of a new company.
But as long as she is here and whenever she comes here, she will always be the part of LMCS family. And right now, we don't want to miss the opportunity of listening to her. So now, it's my humble request to our dear Sister Sophia to please come over here to guide and motivate us and provide us some sort of inspiration. Please give a huge round of applause to Sister Sophia.
Dear Reverend Father Prabhudas Turki, the manager, Sister Kripa, Prabhudas Turki and Sister Kripa for arranging such a great farewell party and giving a special thanks to Father Prabhudas Turki and Sister Kripa for arranging such a great farewell party and giving such a wonderful gift from the school management, which is bigger like your hearts and great like your personalities. Thank you, dear teachers, for the wonderful program you put up here. I was thinking, every time you perform anything, I was there to find out any faults in that. But today everything was perfect. Not 100% more than that. All the program, so much of perfection I could see. So thank you, dear teachers, for your effort to do such a wonderful program. Thank you everyone who has spoken well of me at this lecture. Actually, I don't deserve all this, because you all know very well that I am a person with harshness, seriousness and strictness in my words and deeds. But identifying good things in a person is the goodness of the persons who have spoken good words, sung melodious songs with admiring lyrics, and expressing your love through different gestures. I value and appreciate all your endeavors you have put up for this farewell party. After all, if I could do anything good, it's because of God's abundant grace upon me and the support, encouragement and guidance and acceptance of the management, my community and each one of you. First and foremost, I thank the God Almighty for His protection, guidance, support, and above all, a heart-to-heart love that I could experience throughout my life journey, very especially during the last 4 years. is because of his intimacy with me and my intimacy with him that I could be what I was for this institution and do my responsibilities according to his plan. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. It may consist merely of words, but means a lot. I express my sincere gratitude to dear Reverend Father Prabhudas Rekhi for becoming an inspiration for me through his very lifestyle. Your simplicity and sincerity in thoughts, words and deeds, your sense of responsibility, clarity and dedication in all that you do, and above all, your God-fearing and other-oriented personality are truly remarkable. Thank you, dear Father, for your constant support, guidance, care, concern and inspirations. May God continue to bless you with his joyous blessings. I extend my profound gratitude to my dear Sister Josita for being part of my life and supporting and guiding me in the apt situations. Thank you, Sister, for being a mother to me, in loving, caring, supporting and guiding me, listening me very patiently, extending your helping hands whenever and wherever necessary, and strengthening and inspiring me through your faith and prayer. May God bless you, sister, with his unending blessings. I am delighted to express my immense gratitude to Sister Kripa, who was always being a loving sister to me. When I think of you, sister, I am reminded of the words of Nelson Mandela. It is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory and when nice things occur. And you take the front line when there is danger, and then people will appreciate your leadership. Dear Sister Kripa, I highly appreciate your leadership qualities, which is mentioned by Nelson Mandela. I have seen and experienced a good leader in you, who inspires, cooperates, encourages, and accompanies. Thank you, sister, for giving me opportunities to grow, for being patient with me in my impatience, for being calm when my temper goes high, understanding me very intimately, encouraging me with your words of appreciation, respecting and valuing me with your gestures, comforting and consoling me and your guarantee. I express my heartfelt gratitude to dear Sister Namita, though she is not present here today, for being with me and extending her sincere support whenever I was in need of. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful contribution of many people who have rendered their guidance and support in the success of a person, community or society. It's my great pleasure to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, dear teachers and office staff, for your cooperation, love, respect and accompaniment. You were always ready to help me whenever I have approached you with any task. I admire you for your readiness to listen to me, and most of you have taken my words seriously and acted accordingly. You all are blessed with many potentialities. Use them well for your well-being and the well-being of your family, this institution where you render your service and the society. At the same time, I admire you too for what you are to this institution and very especially for me during the last 4 years. May God reward you for all your goodness.
Thank you, dear sister, for the each and every word that you spoke. It's really so emotional and you could remember every one of us. That's really great of you. So, the best thing to remind ourselves that we were with someone with a sweet memory. And the best thing of this modern world is that we can capture it not only in our heart but also in the pictures. So we have some clippings of sisters with us in the program that has been prepared by Ravin sir and Ruby ma'am. Now I would like to request Ravin sir to present this presentation.
तो सोडा खाएगा पता हरियाणा तो कर रही है
The program has started and we have come almost at the end of this program.
People respond, it requires leadership and energy to appreciate such efforts. We have now Ravin sir, who will be delivering the vote of thanks. So I request you sir to be here. Let's give a round of applause for Ravin sir.
Good afternoon everyone. At the end of this beautiful KMA program, I would like to give some words of appreciation for all the hard work and dedication for the arrangement of this program. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sophia for all her guidance and support for all these years. I would also all the teachers and non-teaching staff for all these arrangements and program. Thank you very much.
Leave us soon and we have to prepare for a farewell program. And after that, I didn't turn to that side at all. And they did it very, very beautiful and wonderful. So I would like to thank them, thank both of you, and very especially the anchors have prepared it very seriously, and all the participants have done it very, very nicely. So it was exceptional program, I think so, of the year. I think they got enough time to. So they have done very well. So a big clap to all of you. God bless you.
Everything that we do has a result. The result of the hard work is success, and right now we are having a program, and the result of patience, listening and enthusiastically participating is the sweet memories along with the sweet things. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not for the end. They simply mean we will miss you until we meet again.
So I know very well that you all are waiting for a treat and you've already got it. But anyway, I wanted to say that prepare for your stomach. And still those of you who have not started, still prepare for your stomach. Let us get ready to enjoy the delicious snacks that has been provided. And thank you and have a wonderful day, but with a shining. आपको थोड़ा सा बस मैं अर्ज बोलूँगा, बाबा कर दीजिएगा। अर्ज क्या है? ओके। आज हम हैं, कल हमारी यादें होगी। Once again, आज हम हैं, कल हमारी यादें होगी। जब हम ना होंगे, तब हमारी बातें होगी। कभी पलटोगे जिंदगी के यह पन्ने, कभी पलटोगे जिंदगी के यह पन्ने। वापस से तब शायद आपकी आंखों में भी बरसातें होगी। Wonderful day to you all.